Today we want to talk about simulation of the lightning in PowerFactory. So to doing that, if you open this lightning transient example, here you will see that here we have the overhead line, and the overhead line is modeled through the towers are modeled here, so we have different towers, and the lightning is just contacted the top of the tower, for example, tower 4, and then we will have the over voltage and overcurrent through these system. But if you want to do that yourself, here, for example, we can open IEEE 39 bus system. So here we have this system, and for example, we want to just um, inject the lightning through this line, for example. For example, this is a line with 1 kilometer, and we want to inject the lightning, contact lightning for middle of this line. To doing that, here we have different sources. We have grid and different sources. Here, the sources that we have is impulses source. So just click here and connect. For example, 29 kilometer or any places that you want to connect. And if you're doing that, you see that here there is no switch. So from beginning of the simulation, this impulse will go through your system. But you want, for example, to doing that after a couple of seconds or millisecond. So you should disconnect this one and connect one node here and connect one switch and then connect this one again. And make sure that the voltage that you have here in top is 345, should be exactly same here, 345. So if you go here to the simulation EMT, here is the specification for the lightning, for example, the tail time constant, front time constant, correction factor, and peak current. So for example, we can put this one at 10 kiloamp, and here's the internal parameter. So we have one internal parameters inside of this, and it will go for phase A. So it's not three-phase lightning. So normally, because the lightning is only connected to one point, it's not three-phase. So here we have the contact to phase A only. So here we, for example, put 1000 for this. Click OK. We should make one simulation event for this switch event, for example, at 0.05, for example, or 0.1. It should close. Okay, so we want to see, for example, how is the current waveform here. So here we have result variables here, and here through the EMT, because we will have the EMT phase current. And here we will have the phase current in amp, so we can have the 3 different phases. Click OK and close. And here we can make this one, and you see that you will have an error normally. So before doing that, you should make one unbalanced load flow and then doing this, so there is no error. And here we can, like this, phase A, and for other phases also, A, B, and C, and then click OK. So if we run the simulation for example, 0.5, so you can see here is the impact of the lightning current. So this is phase A. So you can see we have big peak on this phase is distributed in whole power system, and also here in the other phases we will have some transient. So we can see the transient here.